What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about XRP and when I think we might actually see a huge pump in price and the reason behind it. I'm also going to be doing a brief technical analysis on BTC USD. But before I jump in this video, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you like the video, and also if you haven't already, go and give me a follow on my free Telegram, guys. It's the only place where you get up to date my real-time trades, analysis, etc., cryptocurrency news. So go give that a follow, guys. The link will be in the description. So first of all, I'm going to jump into XRP. So the mistake I think a lot of people are doing now is they are always looking at XRP USD pair and doing the technical analysis on that pair just to see when price is going to pump. I mean, we've seen it on crypto Twitter. A lot of people are saying, that's it, we're going to pump, that's it, we're going to $1 million, that's it, we're going to this, that's it, we're going to that. I mean, I've been in crypto for about 4 years now, guys, and it seems like for the past 4 years, it seems like XRP is going to $10, XRP is going to $10, XRP is going to $10, guys. But I'm just going to do a realistic analysis where I think I can see prices going, etc. So, like I said, the mistake people are doing is they are looking too much on the XRP USD pair to see where price is going and doing a technical analysis. But I believe the indication could be on the XRP BTC pair to kind of predict when and how high the price can go. So previously we've had these two huge massive pumps in XRP BTC price, guys, and this obviously coincided with the altcoin run back in January 2018, and it looks like price slowly but surely is back coming down to these levels of demand here, roughly about 1,500 satoshis. So if we look at this level on importance here, so I'm just going to put a horizontal ray straight through this line here. I'm also going to put a horizontal line through here as well. So as you can see, guys, this line, the first horizontal line that I've drawn was a previous line of support where we came up, found support, and then we rocketed upwards the first time. Second line of horizontal line that I drew was where price came down the second time, and then we went absolutely crazy in price. So as you can see, the first line here again, so fast forward almost 2 years later, guys, price still came back down to this area of support, and we had some minor reaction here. So we saw price against PTC up 50%. Again, price came back down out, tried to fight this region, and then we eventually broke down. So it was quite significant of losing this area of support here, because it kind of coincides with price wanting to come back down to the 1,500 Satoshi level, which is an area of interest to me, and which is an area that I believe will price come down to, and we will see this kind of big massive reaction that everyone's been waiting for. I mean, I'm not expecting we're going to the moon. I'm expecting if we do come back down to levels, we're going to get a breakout of this falling wedge that has been forming as well for the past year or so, guys. So we're going to get, and I believe we could even retest that the top of this rising wedge that's been forming here. So if I get the price level, the price range to out, so even if we come back down here, I believe we could easily have another 156% to the upside, guys. So that will be a great place to put in some buy orders. That's what I'm personally doing. You can do what you want to, guys. Obviously, what I say is not financial advice. I'm just showing what I'm currently doing. And also I just want to show you the two previous falling wedges that we had previously forming and how significant they were and the reaction that we had in price. Again, falling wedge, massive move to the outside when price came to a level of demand. Again, can you spot the other one? Right here. again, like I said, guys, these two previous falling wedge were absolutely epic, guys. So we had the break, and then we saw price got 1500% almost, and then the second one, again, it wasn't as big a move, but it was quite a significant move, guys. So again, we had a break of the falling wedge, and it resulted in another 150% to the upside. So not surprised. So this is what I'm kind of expecting. As you can see, price almost came back to the top of the falling wedge, and that is what I'm kind of expecting to happen here, guys. So I'm not saying, right, price is going to $1 million, we're going to $15, XRP is going to be the new world currency. All I'm saying, guys, if we do make it back down to this level of demand here at 1500 Satoshis, I believe we're going to get quite a strong reaction, because I believe this is a region a lot of institutional level investors or traders will have a lot of buy to sort in this region, or even slightly lower, guys. So I'm guessing we'll come back down to this level and we'll see a nice reaction in price, and that will take us back above this level of support that we had and that we've currently lost. If we retake this and we take out this high here, if we do happen to take out this high here, then we could be looking about price coming back down to this other level of resistance. Again, roughly about 5,126 Satoshi, and obviously this increase in price will reflect in the XRP USD price. But I believe this is the clue that not many people have been looking at, is looking at the XRP BTC price and looking at where we can potentially get a decent bounce in price. So moving over to BTC USD. So a lot of people have been going on about this cup and handle pattern, guys, that's been forming. So the cup and handle pattern is a bullish pattern. So we have the cup, then we have the handle, and what's expected to have here is a break to the upside. Just the fact that we've had so much rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. If we do get a break to the upside, you should expect a lot of these people that have been shorting from these levels will get liquidated, which will thus increase the price and push up the price higher. However, this is what I'm currently looking at. So if you've been following me for a while, you know I like to use the fib trend extension. Obviously, I believe we've got a move here, guys, going on. So what I like to draw, so we've had this move up here, back down to the swing low, back down, back up to the swing high, and as you can see, so far these fib trend extensions, guys, are aligning perfectly with support and resistance at the moment. So at the moment, price is kind of come and tap back down to 0.5, but I believe we can even come back down to the 9,122 level, guys. This will coincide obviously for retest of previous resistance, became new support, and I believe another retest could happen, guys, and this can kind of create a obviously double top and obviously another double bottom, and we can kind of excuse me, from there. And then I believe after that, once we retest back down to this level, we could have another attempt to break to the upside. But for now, this is what I'm believing can be happening with BTC. If price is looking pretty weak at the moment, so we could see these levels kind of met. If we do drop below this 618, this will be obviously previous resistance become new support. If we lose this area of support of the 618 around about 9,437, I believe we'll come back down to these levels of 9,150 to 9,173. So this is what I'm kind of seeing more downside for the moment before we can get another attempt upwards. So I believe downside for now, then potential upside. So this is what I'm kind of looking to happen. So downside, and then another attempt upwards, and to see if we can break this 10,000 level. And the most important level I believe that price will need to break to see any type of bull run will definitely have to be this 10,500. What we saw so far, it is 2020 yearly high so far. So hopefully you enjoyed this brief video. I'd like to give you a realistic technical analysis, guys, what I think could be happening, guys. And once again, if you want to keep up to date with all my live trades and analysis, etc., go and give me a follow on my free Telegram. And also, if you're interested in joining my VIP Telegram, that's the first place we get my trades first. And you get obviously the one-to-one interaction with myself. And recently I've done a poll, guys, on the Crypto Chris VIP group. And the question that I asked was, have you made money since being part of the VIP trading group? And 76% of people said yes, guys. So numbers don't lie. Give me a message, guys, at Crypto Chris with 2 S's at the end, if you want to find out details about the VIP trading group. But if you want, just follow my free Telegram, guys, so you still get up to date with my trades, analysis, etc. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Crypto Chris over and out.